Why Princess Leonor de Borbón Ortiz's role feels especially important. In September 2024, Princess Leonor de Borbón Ortiz participated in her first formal public engagement representing Spain during an official state event. While appearing ceremonial, this engagement reflected deeper constitutional, historical, and institutional significance. Many observers do not fully appreciate how her visible role connects directly to continuity, public trust, and leadership preparation within the Spanish monarchy. By the end of this video, viewers will gain a clear understanding of why Princess Leonor's responsibilities are critical, how her role is cultivated, and why her preparation matters to both Spain and European monarchy at large. 1. Historical context of Spain's constitutional monarchy. Princess Leonor's role must be understood against the backdrop of Spain's constitutional monarchy, restored under the 1978 Constitution. Unlike absolute monarchies of the past, the Spanish monarch functions within legal and symbolic limits. The heir apparent plays a vital role in reinforcing legitimacy, continuity, and public confidence. Princess Leonor's training and public engagements are part of a deliberate institutional strategy to ensure a smooth and credible succession, reflecting centuries of evolving monarchy practices in Europe. 2. Legal significance and duties. Upon reaching the age of majority, Princess Leonor formally assumed her status as heir to the throne, a milestone codified by Spanish law. Her role is defined constitutionally. She pledges allegiance to the Constitution, participates in ceremonial duties, and represents the monarchy in official capacities. This legal foundation is essential to understanding her importance, as it establishes formal responsibilities that are recognized nationally and internationally. Even without governing authority, her position is central to institutional stability. 3. Education as leadership preparation. Princess Leonor's education is designed to equip her with the skills required for future leadership. From primary and secondary studies in Spain to international academic programs, her education emphasizes history, law, language proficiency, and global awareness. These academic experiences ensure she can navigate complex institutional, diplomatic, and ceremonial responsibilities. In modern European monarchies, such preparation is essential to building credibility and competence in future sovereigns. 4. Public duties and institutional exposure. Her early public appearances at state events, cultural ceremonies, and charitable functions are strategic opportunities for learning and public engagement. These experiences teach protocol, public communication, and symbolic representation, reinforcing the monarchy's visibility and credibility. Her speeches and gestures are carefully measured, emphasizing constitutional values, national unity, and civic responsibility. 5. Military and civic training. In Spain, the monarchy maintains a symbolic role in the armed forces. Princess Leonor's exposure to military training programs and ceremonial duties strengthens her understanding of national defense structures, even if she does not exercise command authority. This experience mirrors European royal traditions, where heirs develop an understanding of civil and military institutions to reinforce constitutional legitimacy. 6. Comparison with European heirs. Comparing Princess Leonor's preparation with peers such as Prince Christian of Denmark provides perspective on modern monarchy practices. Across Europe, heirs undergo structured preparation emphasizing visibility, education, and public duty. Princess Leonor's path reflects Spain's unique historical and political context while aligning with broader European standards of institutional professionalism and leadership readiness. 7. Building public trust. Trust is essential for the constitutional monarchy's legitimacy. Princess Leonor's carefully measured public engagements cultivate recognition, credibility, and respect. By gradually introducing responsibility, the monarchy allows the public to witness competence and reliability, establishing a foundation for future acceptance when she assumes greater duties. 8. Continuity and stability. The presence of a trained heir provides reassurance during political transitions, national events, and times of uncertainty. Princess Leonor's role reinforces stability, signaling continuity within Spain's constitutional framework. This effect is subtle but critical. It ensures that the monarchy remains a trusted institution capable of sustaining governance and ceremonial functions over time. 9. Diplomatic and international significance. Princess Leonor's future role extends beyond Spain. As a representative of the monarchy in international contexts, her preparation in protocol, diplomacy, and ceremonial conduct strengthens Spain's global presence. Early exposure to formal international events equips her with skills necessary to maintain credibility and respect among European and global royals. 10. Generational shift in monarchy. Princess Leonor exemplifies a modern approach to monarchy, professionalized, disciplined, and strategically prepared. Unlike previous generations, whose visibility or training may have been inconsistent, her preparation reflects the careful calibration of public responsibility, education, and ceremonial duty, balancing tradition with contemporary societal expectations. 11. Mentorship and guidance. Structured mentorship from King Felipe VI of Spain, Queen Letizia of Spain, and senior palace advisors provides Princess Leonor with insight into institutional operations, ceremonial planning, and public responsibilities. This guidance ensures she develops a nuanced understanding of her constitutional and symbolic role while preparing for eventual succession. 12. Balancing visibility and neutrality. Her engagements are carefully timed and calibrated to maintain visibility while avoiding political influence or personal overexposure. This measured approach strengthens public trust, demonstrating how leadership within a constitutional monarchy is exercised through principle, restraint, and continuity rather than authority or popularity. 13. Forward-looking leadership. Princess Leonor's preparation emphasizes foresight, adaptability, and institutional knowledge. By combining education, mentorship, and public duty, she is being groomed to represent Spain credibly at national and international levels. Her role illustrates how constitutional monarchies evolve while maintaining legitimacy, stability, and public confidence. 14. Historical perspective. Viewed historically, Princess Leonor's structured preparation mirrors broader European trends, yet remains tailored to Spain's unique context. Her path demonstrates the monarchy's capacity to adapt to modern expectations while preserving continuity, legitimacy, and institutional integrity. 15. Institutional mentorship in practice. Through observation of King Felipe VI of Spain and Queen Letizia of Spain, Princess Leonor learns the practical applications of ceremonial duty, constitutional responsibility, and public engagement. These lessons are integrated with formal education and structured public exposure, creating a comprehensive framework for long-term leadership readiness. 16. Strategic public presence. Her visibility in ceremonial and educational contexts is deliberate. It reinforces continuity, familiarizes citizens with her role, and emphasizes constitutional neutrality. Over time, these engagements cultivate confidence in her capability as heir apparent and demonstrate the careful balance required for public and institutional trust. 17. Broader implications for modern monarchy. Princess Leonor's trajectory exemplifies how modern constitutional monarchies balance tradition with societal expectations. Her preparation highlights leadership through responsibility, visibility with discretion, and duty anchored in constitutional principles. This moment would later take on greater significance as her public and institutional roles expand, shaping perceptions of monarchy both in Spain and across Europe.